Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video, and I created these super cute fall nails using this Model Ones acrylic nail tips kit that I got from Amazon. This kit was only $20, but it's on sale right now and I got a link, so let's get into it. So let's unbox this kit. So it has the ingredients and storage information and warning labels and everything on the back of the box. And inside the box, you have your acrylic nail tips kit manual, which shows you how to apply the nails with very detailed instructions. And then inside, it has the 4-in-1 nail glue for the nail tips, and it is 15 ml, which is a pretty good size. And then we also have the nail lamp with the instructions manual as well. So it also comes with the USB cord, and it also comes with a 500-piece acrylic nail tips set. Now, on Amazon, it says that it's supposed to come with a nail clipper and the nail lamp. Mine did not come with the nail clipper. And for the material, it says acrylic, but baby, these are very much Gel-X nails, which is okay. But I don't know why they would say acrylic when there's literally no acrylic involved whatsoever. But for the price, you can't beat a really good Gel-X system. And I love Model One's products, so I trusted the process with these nails, and it was a great outcome. And they actually have this kit on sale right now on Amazon for $9.99. I bought it for $19.99, but I checked again to get some product information for my video, and it was on sale for $9.99. So the tips are very durable. They have a matte finish underneath, which gives the nails a rougher surface. So I don't even have to use my e-file to file the underside of these nails like I would do my press-on nails. Something inside of me wanted to file the underside anyway so bad, but I didn't, because I wanted to give a good review of this kit just with everything that it came with. So I was just sizing my thumb, and that nail fit pretty good on my thumb. And now I'm going to just size the rest of my fingers so that we can get started on applying these nail tips. The nails have a nice curve to them, and the tip is really strong, which is a plus for me. So for my thumb, I used a 0. For my middle finger, I used a 5. I used a size 6 for my index finger and my ring finger, and a size 8 for my pinky. So I only needed to use 4 sizes out of the 10 sizes that it came with. So this is the nail lamp. It comes with the USB cord, and I'm just going to take it loose and show you guys how to, plug it in. So you basically just plug it in the back of the nail lamp. And then it doesn't come with the box plug that goes in the wall, but I always have some extra ones, and this one is from Amazon. So the power button is in the center of the light, and I'm so glad that that power button turns it on and turns it off. A lot of these portable nail lamps and the smaller nail lamps, the power button is just to turn it on, and then you have to unplug it to turn it off. So it's very convenient that this power button turns it on and turns it off. So I'm just taking a nail file and filing the shine from the top of my natural nail and all my other nails as well. And I sprayed it with some alcohol, and I just wiped them down with some tissue to dry them out. And now let's apply these nails. So this nail glue is called a 4-in-1 nail glue because it's multifunctional. It can be used as a nail adhesive, a base coat. You can use it for blooming gel, and a nail art adhesive. And the glue is really nice and thick. Now, I did not look at the instructions at this point, so I'm just brushing the glue on my natural nail like I'm applying a press-on nail. I'm so stuck in press-on nail mode. And then I had to look at the instructions, and it says to brush it on the underside of the nail. So that's what I did, and I should have wiped the nail glue off of my natural nail, because when I went to press the nail onto my nail, I had some spillage, and I was just like, oh my God, like I already got the nail on. Like, how am I going to? So I just improvised and I'm holding the nail down with my other finger while I grab the tissue to wipe off the excess glue. And thank God that my mind be working the way that it worked, because had I not done that, it would have just been a whole mess, and I would have had to really file off all that extra glue. But anyway, y'all know I'm chalking. I'm gonna make it happen. So I went ahead and I put my finger under the nail lamp to cure that glue, and the nail came out perfect. Like, let me tell y'all about these tips. Look at how strong these tips are. Like, they are not bending. I am adding friction to see if it's going to bend or break, and it did not. So I went ahead and picked up them instructions, because I was like, I'm not finna keep messing up these nails. They too good for me to be messing up. So it says, place an acrylic nail tip at a 45-degree angle at the edge of the nail cuticle and slowly push forward until it covers the entire nail bed. It also says, cure under nail lamp for 60 to 90 seconds. If not dried, please keep curing until fully dried. So from going forward, we're going to start reading instructions and stop winging it, because no, ma'am. So I was just double checking to make sure that that size was good for my next finger, and it was. So I am applying the nail glue onto the underside of the nail. And just like I do with my press-on nails, I'm making sure I have a nice bubble of glue up under there so that it can spread all over my natural nail, so that the nails will stick really well once they are cured. So just like the instructions said, line the nail up with your cuticle and press down until all the glue fully covers your nail. And it's looking good. I saw the glue spread, so I'm like, okay, now it's time to cure. And I'm going to use my other finger to hit that power button, because I do not want to move this nail out of place. And I went ahead and cured that for 60 seconds under that nail lamp, and the nail came out perfect. But look at the durability. This glue is amazing. Okay, look how hard I am pressing that nail into my finger, and it is not budging at all. So I'm sold. Okay, I had a little hiccup with my thumb, but that was on me. That wasn't on the kit. So now we are just going to continue with applying these nails on the rest of our fingers. We lining it up, and see how that glue just spreads. It's so satisfying. I don't know why, but I like to see the glue spread. So I'm glad these tips are clear so I can see it. And y'all see that? This is exactly what we want in a Gel X kit. Okay, I don't care if it's not acrylic. Like, it says acrylic, but I don't know where the acrylic is in these, but I don't even care at this point. Look how good these nails are turning out. And I'm hoping that it'll stay on sale for $9.99 once I give y'all this link. I hope it doesn't go back up to the regular price of $19.99. But even if it does, I mean, compared to other Gel X kits that are like $100, $80, you cannot beat this. And this kit is exactly the same as the more high-end expensive ones, and only for a fraction of the price. So I'm giving it a thumbs up and a 10 out of 10, because I mean, just look at these nails. Like, just look at them. I haven't even painted them or did nothing to them yet, which I'm gonna do a part 2 to this video where I show you guys how I created the fall design and painted them and everything. And I had a little bit of spillage on my pinky, but that's okay. I just took my thumb and like scraped it off. And then I took a small nail file. It didn't come with a nail file, but I just took a small nail file and filed off that excess glue that was on the other side of my pinky nail. But stay tuned for the next video, because I'm going to show you guys how I painted these nails and created that fall nail set. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check the description box for a link, an Amazon link to these nails. And if you click that link, your girl does get a little bit of a something something from Amazon. So it is greatly appreciated if you guys click that link and purchase this kit. I thank you in advance. This is my honest review on this nail kit, and I absolutely love it, and I would definitely buy it again. This nail glue is amazing, and I want to see how it works with press-on nails. So I'm going to use it in one of my future press-on nail videos. These tips are amazing. The light is good. I have no complaints other than the fact that there was no acrylic involved, but who cares? I mean, look how bomb the nails came out. If you are viewing this video and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.